Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about Squeezeland review. So, create a high quality and attractive squeeze pages to grab emails and building your email list made easy. A beautiful squeeze landing pages templates to create users email and start sending emails to start marketing a profit as big market as this. So create email capture landing pages templates, easy to edit and customize templates, build your email list made easy, embedded squeeze pages inside any website as in frame, or you're an affiliate who desperately wants to creating a beautiful email landing pages, you'll get Squeezeland. Stop. Time to put an end to learning to code squeeze pages and start creating and editing your own squeeze pages templates fast using power of squeeze. So have you wasted hundreds of dollars on lead generation products? Sick of wasting money? Squeezeland is your best solution you need. Squeezeland review on bonuses, no hands holes barrel reviews exposes the truth about how to create a beautiful email landing page using already done for you templates and simple editing to build your landing page. So before you buy another ebook or email marketing system, you need Squeezeland. Here's why. Presenting Squeezeland, the formula for creating beautiful email landing pages in super rapid time and from just a few top secret grab emails and make sales using email list built in strategies. Of course, most of lead generation guides are no help. You need an edge if you plan on getting real results, and that is where the unique Squeezeland templates package comes in. Squeezeland is all you need to create a beautiful email landing page. So check the useless info you already have and start getting high quality email landing pages or squeeze pages, no matter what your skill level. Then you try to grab email and make sales using email list building strategy, but here goes wrong again. So try this Squeezeland. Introducing Squeezeland. If you're feeling locked out of lead generation game because you don't have hours to spare trying to overcome learning to code squeeze pages, can't face any more wasted your money when all you want is creating beautiful email landing pages. Don't have money to burn on another dead end guaranteed to get high quality email landing pages or squeeze pages ebook. Then I have some incredible news for you. I have discovered a step by step guide to creating a beautiful email landing page together today using this brand new lead generation tool Squeezeland. Join me if you have ever wished you could finally creating a beautiful email landing page like affiliate 1%, wasted hundreds on lead generation expert ebooks and seminars that simply don't deliver, felt that there is something that some affiliates know about lead generation that you don't, wondered whether you are ever going to get anywhere with this whole lead generation thing. Believe me, I know how you feel. I was once the same. You see, if you go to point where I was sick of being one of the guys who know that he should creating beautiful email landing page but just couldn't get it working. So I decided to take stand. I brought dozens of ebooks and signed every expert lead generation seminar out there. I spent hundreds of hours on lead generation articles, sites, and forums securing for tips and tips, and eventually I started to understand whole lead generation. With this understanding came the realization that if I was to succeed and needed to uncover a product like Squeezeland, a new set of rules that no one else knew about and that I could use to constantly creating email landing pages. That was 6 months ago. Now I can safely say that days of wasted your money or a thing of the past. Now if it took me months but eventually it clicked and I discovered Squeezeland, the templates package to creating a beautiful email landing page, not the usual crap you hear and not the usual technique you read about. Remember, if you follow the crowd, you will just end up with the waste your money. If you purchase from my link, I am going to provide you a free ebook. So just contact me on my Instagram ID. Send me a screenshot of your payment proof that you have purchased the product through my link, and I will send you the ebook link. Affiliate or a marketer, trust me when I say will change the way you look at lead generation forever. You need someone who has just been there and done that. Someone who brought over $1,000 of lead generation, right? Attended the expensive seminar, brought the expensive upsells package, and still wasn't satisfied. Someone who had just come to up with this whole spin on things and who had to make it all work despite the limited info out there. Someone who has bled, someone who has learned the hard way, and still someone came up on top. In short, you need Squeezeland because it is the only lead generation template package that tells it like it is, and the templates that guarantee to create a beautiful landing page on your money back. It is just simple. In fact, if you plan on creating a beautiful landing page in 2021, you barely have a choice. To create creating a beautiful email landing page, you need Squeezeland, and it's so new, different that properly creating beautiful email landing page. You need willingness to break away from the current email marketing methods you are using, and you need to embark on a new path that leads away from learning to squeeze pages and towards getting high quality email landing pages or squeeze pages. But there are few things you don't need. You don't need to know a thing about email marketing or create a beautiful email landing page from this. You don't need to have success with getting high quality email landing pages or squeeze pages before. You can get started within 30 minutes. You can create a beautiful landing page part-time in only few minutes each day. Once you are up to speed, the entire process will take as little as 20 minutes per day. It's your life with saving your money as a non-issue you can finally live with. Now, if you are anything like me or any of the affiliate buddies, I'm sure you get the bombarded with ebooks, software, and live seminars from lead generation gurus. All of them offering you this latest must-have rehearsed and outdated guarantee to create beautiful email landing pages programs all the time. I also know from experience that you are probably curious about a lot of these systems, but you don't want to waste your money on expensive failure. Perhaps you have burned too many times and you are sick of problem. I know only too well how much it hurts and when you follow a proven system or cannot fail. So you are more than happy to hand over your money to a vendor and desperately hope this one will be different. Then you try to get high quality email landing pages or squeeze pages, but it goes wrong again. Suddenly the system is not quite as simple as they were first made about our techniques don't work. Then you experience more wasted money in learning to code squeeze pages. All you want is something that works. You have spent hundreds if not thousands of dollars on lead generation products, and by the end of this year you will probably have wasted another couple of $100 on your useless ebooks. So what is your solution? Well, that's where Squeezeland comes in. It's simple: lead generation success or your money back. I know that you want access to some advanced lead generation method that affiliate use, and I know that you have the best chance to creating a beautiful email landing page with the software and training inside Squeezeland. But we want to ensure that you are fully protected, and which is why you have full 30 days to test drive our system and see why Squeezeland is worth everyone interested in getting high quality email landing pages. So for if any reason whatever you are not completely convinced and like, just let me know that they will cancel your membership and you will be fully refunded. So that's how certain I am that you're going to love Squeezeland and make it work for you. This is an opportunity that to bond and change affiliate life. So make a decision now. If you purchase from my link, I am going to provide you a free ebooks. So just contact me on my Instagram ID. Send me a payment screenshot that you have purchased this product through my link, and I will send you the ebooks. Thank you.